All right, we're closing up again with another lovely radical inequality word problem, which again, all you're worried about is what you need to know. Okay, so it says our formula for finding BSA is BSA equals this. So we've got BSA equals the square root of the whole thing, HM over 3,600, where H is height and M is mass. So then it says a doctor calculates a particular dose of medicine for a person whose BSA, so BSA is 1.9. So I'm going to put 1.9 here. And the patient is 160 centimeters tall. I wanted to circle that a different color. So I'm going to do that. 160 centimeters tall, which is the height. So H is 160. So 1.9 equals the square root of 160 times their mass over 3,600. So now 1.9 equals the square root of 160m over the square root of 3,600. Now I went here first because 3,600 is really easy to solve for, and squaring I don't know. When you see like any of your perfect squares with just zeros thrown on the end, you know that this is a perfect square. So the square root of 3,600 is actually just 60. Now, if you didn't want to do that, it's fine. You can still do everything on your calculator. You're going to have to anyway. So now we'll multiply both sides by 60, and we get 114 equals the square root of 160m. Then guess what our last step is squaring both sides. And so we get 12,996 equals 160m. And then we divide by 160. And we get that their mass is approximately 81 I can't read my writing. I think it's 275. And then it tells you that that mass is in kilograms. So that's why we're going to attach kilograms onto our mass. And there is our last example. 5-4 was pretty painless, I hope, for you. And we'll see you listening to me when we get to 5-5. Oops. Hold on. Oh, I keep erasing it here. Okay.